good morning. Today we are going to be mounting solar panels on the north side here. I decided I wanted the north side because it looks better. And we are not going to be mounting these 195 watt bifacial Ecoworthy panels. We are going to be mounting the 100 watt Ecoworthy, and I think we're going to do at least 8. There's 8 of them there, but I think I can fit 10. I didn't go the 195 watts because I'm not going to be able to utilize all this roof space and the number of rails I have. So I'll loop you back in. Okay, apologies for not filming anything up until this point, but it's been tricky. It's been very slippery up here. And one of the MC4 connections over there broke, so I have to fix that up again. It's going to be in a series connection, these 4 panels. And yeah, I'm lucky I have my dad here to help me bring these up. And lucky the panels aren't very heavy. But it has been very slippery up here. We've been drying it with some rags. But so far, so good. So I've got 6 more to go. Alright, we're on the home stretch here. Hopefully my wiring is okay. I fixed up the other connector there, MC4, that was broken. So 4 more panels to go and then we can test it. Okay, we are done. Hopefully you can see that. And we are just going through the window at the moment. Okay. There are the panels there. I'll see if I can get up a bit higher. There we go. And there's some debris there which I've got to clean up. Overall, pretty happy. And I left that little area there so I can still get up and move around, which is good. So if you look down at the MPPT, it's not showing that much. It's currently showing, what did it say? 194, because the batteries are already full. And I've just turned on that to offset to use the solar. So there's 1 kilowatt on the roof now, 10 100 watt panels. We go back, 10 100 watt panels, Ecoworthy bifacial. Okay, it's the next day, and as I said, the solar panels have been mounted. You know, it wasn't perfect, but we got there in the end. As you can see over here, one thing that's bothering me is that it's not very straight there. It's because on one of the pairs of panels, I had to adjust where I screwed it in because there were the roofing screws were on the ridge. So as you can see here, this one's a bit wider, here's a bit narrower. So that consequently kind of put it out of balance. But I don't think it's going to cause any shading issues. Sorry about that. Yeah, and it's about almost 2 PM here. And that is the east side. So, and they're 100 watt panels times 10, so a kilowatt in total, theoretical. At this time of day, we are only getting about 260 watts in. So, not the best performance, but we are in winter. And I think the battery is pretty much almost full as well. It's about almost 29 volts. So yeah, so just a really short video on adding 1 kilowatt to my power shed. 10 100 watt Ecoworthy bifacial panels. Sorry, just before I go, I did come in here early this morning about 10 AM. It's getting almost 500 watts, so under half the rated capacity. And I should have recorded it, but I didn't, which was a bit silly. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny winter's day. And I haven't edited the video yet, so I can actually show you what this is bringing in at about 10 a.m. Let's go into the shed. And we have about 380 watts of input, and the battery voltage is about 27.8 volts. Remembering that fully charged is 29.4, but I only get a 29.2 here. So yeah, that's not too bad. It's probably going to be fully charged by the time it gets to just about after lunchtime. So I won't be able to see this go up all the way. I'll have to fully discharge it and see what I can get. So basically getting half of the rated capacity with 10 100 watt panels. Hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling?